Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a versatile, feminine, yet professional looking dress? This gorgeous dress from AbleTree is going to have you ready for any event that you have in mind. This dress is made out of a beautiful chiffon material. I chose the blush pink and it really is such a pretty and feminine styling, but it has that collar up top as well as the nice detailed gold buttons that match with the sleeves as well as with the really pretty belt that it came with. The dress has a fully lined skirt, so you don't have to worry about wearing a slip. I am 5'4" and I find that this dress is nice and long, but yet not in an awkward way, but rather it just feels very flowy and pretty. You can wear this dress with a variety of different layers as well. So you can try it with a jacket or a sweater or just under your coat, and that way you'll always be warm in this dress. I do feel that this dress is a little bit oversized, so keep that in mind should you be looking at it. But overall, I just find that this dress is super pretty. The first time I wore it, I received a ton of compliments, and I feel really pretty and glamorous in this dress. But that's just my point of view.